If your paycheck disappears every month, it's not your income that's the problem, it's your system. Most people think, if I just earned 10,000 more a year, I'd finally be ahead. But here's the cold, hard truth. You don't have a money problem. You have a flow problem. Money comes in and it immediately flows out. Rent, bills, groceries, that one subscription you forgot to cancel. Those small, it's only $5 purchases that you don't even notice. By the end of the month, there's nothing left. And it's not because you're careless. It's because you never told your money where to go. And when money is left to decide for itself, it always chooses the easiest option: spending. Think about it like this. Imagine you have a bucket with a tiny hole in the bottom. It doesn't matter how fast you pour water in. If you don't plug the hole, that bucket will always be empty. Most people spend their whole lives trying to find a bigger hose to fill the bucket, instead of just fixing the leak. So, how do we fix the flow? Stop trying to save what's left. I've been there. You tell yourself, I'll spend what I need, and whatever is left at the end of the month, I'll put that into savings. Guess what? There is never anything left. The human brain is wired to spend what's available. If it's in your main account, you'll find a need for it. Instead, you have to pay yourself first. The second that paycheck hits your account, before you pay the landlord, before you pay the phone company, and definitely before you buy that coffee, take a percentage and move it out. 5%, 10%, whatever you can. Move it to a separate account, an investing account, an emergency-only account, somewhere you can't see it when you open your banking app to buy dinner. Now, look at what's left. That remaining balance, that's your actual budget. That is what you are allowed to spend. This one shift removes the stress. No more guessing if you can afford that weekend trip. No more guilt when you buy something you want, because the future you has already been paid. Now, I know that setting up a system can feel overwhelming when you're looking at a messy bank statement. So, to make this easier for you, I've created a wealth recipe checklist. It's a simple one-page guide that shows you exactly how to split your paycheck, which accounts to use, and how to automate the whole thing in under 10 minutes. You can grab it for free at the link in the description. It's my gift to help you stop the leak and start building that foundation today. The finance math is very simple. If you make $4,000 and you spend $4,000, you are broke. If you make $10,000 and you spend $10,000, you are still broke. You just have nicer clothes and a bigger car payment. The secret to life optimization isn't just making more. It's controlling what happens to the money after it hits your pocket. Fix the flow and you fix your future. Because the biggest mistake isn't being underpaid, it's being undermanaged. But here's the good news. You can start this today. It doesn't take a finance degree or a six-figure salary to take control. It just takes one decision. The moment you decide to pay yourself first, you stop being a passenger in your own life and you start being the driver. That's how you build real freedom. That's how you optimize your life. If this helped you see your paycheck a little differently, hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who are trying to fix their own flow. And if you want more 5-minute deep dives into the psychology of money and life optimization, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'm Dave, and this was Explained in 5. I'll see you in the next one.